Hey you guys, happy Vlogmas day 4. So it's Monday morning. I feel like the weekends literally last like 2 seconds. Literally 2 seconds. But anyway, I just left the gym. Yo, I've been slacking in the gym like for the past like 2 months, month and a half I want to say. I've been slacking OD, but it's just really like the weather, the seasonal change. It doesn't get light until like 7, and then I go to the gym in the morning, so it's like even now it's still pitch black. So but I'm like, I need to pull through because I got a vacay coming up. I need to get this body right, you know. So I just left the gym. I'm gonna show you guys how I do my, why is she licking my feet? I'm gonna show you guys how I do my DIY lash extension. That's why I don't have lash extensions on right now. I'm gonna show you guys how I do it. And then yeah, I'm just pretty much working today. I need to go to Lash during my lunch. Do you mind? I need to go to Lash. Do you mind? No. Why is she licking my feet? I need to go to Lash during my lunch break because I have no deodorant at all. And Lash, they sell like the big Dove spray deodorants, like the really big ones, for like $5. And anywhere else is probably like $8, $9. So it's cheaper there. So I want to go during lunch to get that. And that's pretty much it for today. Yesterday I meal prepped. I did chicken Alfredo, salmon and rice, and then tonight I'm gonna do turkey burgers. They're already seasoned, they just have to be cooked, so maybe I'll show you guys. I'm gonna do turkey burgers, but I'm gonna do like a wrap, a spinach wrap, instead of like a burger, like bread. With sweet potato fries. And yeah, let me show you guys my little decor that I did. I didn't really do much because like I said, I didn't really buy Christmas decor. But I have some stuff from last year, so I'm gonna show you guys real quick, and then I'm gonna get ready for work. And maybe I'll show you guys my like everyday makeup that I do for work. TikTok, I already seen it 9 times, but I'll probably show you guys, you know, cause I'm getting on my YouTube shit again. So yeah, this is really all I did. I had this cute little snowman. This I got from Bath and Body Works, I think last year. It's so cute, y'all. I need to like find a way to hide those. But so cute, right? And then this other little snowman. And then I had this was from like my tree, but I just put it here. And then on my bar I had these cute little, I think they're from like TJ Maxx or Home Goods, one of those two, but it's like my little bar cart. So I just had this. And then y'all, this is my Shein order for my trip. I gotta pack. Well, I gotta try them on and then pack. Can I help you? Can I help you? And then this is just from like, I think it's from Target. It's really old, but yeah. Can I help you, ma'am? Yes. Can I help you? I'll just go get ready now. Get ready for work, and then I'll catch you guys when I'm doing my my makeup and my lashes. All right, you guys, so I'm all showered, skincare dressed, ready to go. So I'm debating if I should do my makeup first or my lashes. Usually my lashes are already done. I'm gonna do my lashes first. So I use this brand from Amazon. It's called Quaywell. And then I use the black glue. So good. I have the white one. This is what I had originally. It's not bad. But this one, I like it better. I feel like the glue holds more, and then the wand is also like a little curved. So I just use these. And then usually I'll do like 16 in the outer corner, 14, 12. Now, I don't really have a lot of 16, so I'll probably do like, I have 4 16 left. So I'll probably do 2 16 on each, and then some 14s. And then I don't have a lot of 14s either, and then 12. So that's what we're doing. I have these two. So we're just gonna use what we got. So what I do first, look at my mirror. I'll just like curl my lashes, my natural lashes. I brought you guys in a little closer. For me, it helps to curl them first because my natural lashes are like straight. So see, like the one is like a little curved, if you guys can see. So I'll just like put it like on the root And then I put some on like the lash band. Put a little bit on. While that dries a little bit, I'll put it on the second one. Just so it gets like a little tacky. And I use some tweezers. And then I'll just put it under my lash. As close as possible, but not too close so it doesn't bother my lash line. Now we're gonna get some 14s. Sometimes I'll stack them too, but I don't have enough to like stack too much. Well, at least 16 I can't stack, but I could stack 14 and 12. And there's our first row. It's giving very cat eye. And then I'm just gonna stack a 14. So it's just, oh my god. Do again, and then just literally like go on top of it. All right, so this eye is done. So the next, the other side has a seal side. So it looks like this. It's just to like seal the glue. So I'll just like go right under. And there I have one eye done. So I'm gonna do the other eye. I just finished my lashes. Everything very cute, natural. Y'all, I'm never like paying for my lashes again. Like even for my birthday, I thought about doing it, but I'm just like, I might just do my own lashes, to be honest. So I'm gonna just do my makeup real quick because I'm running out of time. But what's new? So literally what I just do is I use my Cosas concealer. Love this. I need to go get a new one this week, especially because Sephora's having the sale, which I didn't know they were gonna do again. So they're having the sale. So I'm gonna go pick up a new concealer. I'll let that like sit for a second, and then I use this NYX brow glue for my brows. Blend this out a little. This is Sephora Pro Highlight 98 brush for my concealer. And then I use my Airspun powder. Yeah, I've literally been using this powder since I was in like high school. That's insane. I literally, one will last me like, I don't remember the last time I bought a powder. That's how long it lasts me. Like years. Like maybe over a year. Then I just use my Juvia's cream bronzer. This is in the shade Caramel. Just to give my skin some life, you know? Can't wait till I have that natural bronze glow. Then I'll just like fill in my eyebrows. That's really all I do. Well, I usually put like lip gloss, but I'm still drinking my tea, so I'll do that after, but that's all I do. So that's it. I'm about to get ready to leave, and I'll catch you guys probably when I'm going to Lotless during lunch. So yeah. Come on. Hey y'all, so I just got home from work. So I want to quickly do an Amazon haul because I just got some boxes delivered. And y'all, speaking about Amazon, so on Friday I got an email to be part of the influencer program. So I just like did it today. Well, like, you know, signed up, went through with it. So my Amazon storefront has always been linked in the description box. So my Amazon storefront has always been linked in my description box, but now when you click on my link, like, I'm an affiliate. So I get commission based off of it. Y'all, like, I've been trying to be an Amazon influencer for like the longest. So I finally am an Amazon influencer. So all of the stuff I show you will be linked on my Amazon storefront if y'all want to get some stuff. So first I just got a box of Gain because I ran out of dryer sheets. Yo, even before I opened the box, it smelled so good. Like, I smelled it through the box. No! Then I got these Angel Eyes tear wipes for my dog. I got this Dove soap. I got more film from my Polaroid camera. And I got an Apple tag because when I go to on one of my trips, I have to check in the luggage, and I haven't checked in the luggage in forever. So I got an air tag because I want to track that shit just in case anything happens. Because I know them airports be playing sometimes. And I got these little stickies because for for my birthday dress, the way it is, I feel like these stickies will be good for it, and they also like lift as well. This I believe is my Christmas tree. Yeah, but it's for my desk, so this is gonna be for work. Then I ordered a whole bunch of lashes. Like, I am stocked up on lashes. More dial soap. This is the lash glue to my lashes. So yeah, so that's everything. And honestly, y'all, I really want to end the vlog here because I'm exhausted. All I want to do is take a shower, make my dinner. Take a shower, make my dinner, which is just the turkey burger that I told you guys. And then like that's it. But I'm exhausted. So that's everything for day 4 of Vlogmas. I hope you guys enjoyed, and stay tuned for my next video. And make sure to check out my Amazon storefront, all right? And run it up, run it up.